how did this DIY paper flower wall decor started. I got inspired by this picture, came across it, and I thought it was so beautiful, so elegant. And I had some requests to show some home decor, wall decor, so this will serve as a really pretty wall decor, and it can serve you as a backdrop for any of the events that you're going to have. So I kind of looked at the picture and traced out shapes of the petals that I saw on that picture. This is my middle for the flowers. This is going to be one style, second style, and a third style flower. So for every single petal that I cut out, I folded my paper in half, traced it out, and then cut out to have the seam in the middle. It's gonna bring some kind of texture to the flowers because they're not going to be 3D as usual. They're going to be laying flat on a wall, but they will still have some kind of dimension. My flowers. I'm gonna do two ideas for you guys. I'm gonna place them on a wall, and also I'm gonna set up my backdrop and put it on the backdrop with lights and all that stuff. I just need to hang this up, and I'm gonna be using this wall. To place my flowers on a wall, I'll be using the Scotch tape. This is a painter's tape. So far, the most gentle tape that you can use on walls. If you know any other tapes that can be used on walls and would not do damage to walls, let me know in the comments down below. But this is the one that I'll be using today, right now. But be aware, this tape, even though it's gentle, it can still take off some of your paint. So be careful, don't press it too hard. What I'll be doing with this tape, I'll be taking strips of tape and making donuts out of it. One on top and one at the bottom. This is how it looks on a wall without a backdrop. I think it's going to be a really pretty idea for those who doesn't want to spend lots of money but loves to switch things up in their home, on their walls. So this is my idea on a wall. Let's set up my backdrop and put it on a backdrop. To pin my flowers to the fabric, I'll be using these needles with pearls on top. If you don't have these, you can use needles with flat hats. And that's how I pin all of my flowers. To pin your flower, you just take a pin with pearl on top or flat hat. You go through your petal and then pinch the fabric just like that. Poke through your fabric like this and then go again and poke through again, so you're coming back where you basically started, and that's how you do it, and it's gonna hold very well. Look how pretty this looks on a fabric backdrop. I used pink uplighting and I love it. You can use any uplighting that you want. I will link the website where I bought my uplighting so you can check it out, maybe buy it for yourself. All I used is a heavy construction paper, a hot glue gun, pen, and scissors to cut it out, and I made these beautiful flowers. Patterns for every petal, I made it myself. Looking at that inspirational picture that I showed you a little bit earlier, I can't really link a pattern for the flowers. I will try to find something similar for you guys. To pin these flowers, I used one pin for every flower. Flowers are not heavy and one pin will hold a flower really securely on a fabric. For this flower, I used 5 big petals, 5 small petals of the same style. For this flower, I used 7 on the inside and 7 petals on the outside of the same size, same style. This flower, I used 8 petals on the inside and 8 petals on the outside of the same style and size, and also 16 small petals on the inside. These are the 3 styles that I used for this backdrop. I hope you enjoyed. If you didn't enter our giveaway in my previous video, I will link that video down below for you guys, and in the comments down below, let me know what you think about this backdrop. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're here for the first time, and I'll see you all back very soon. Bye bye.